Well, good morning, Ira Epstein. And here we are, the 30th of July 25 in the morning. As you can see, what we've got here is a mixed bag in the stock. Dow down, well, coming back up. Most of the stocks here, a beating taking in the euro, the dollar jumping. What we've seen now, the market is saying it doesn't want to what I call the fifth price count. And a fifth price count could have carried the market on the level. I talked in my end of the day reviews before I went on vacation over and over and over. It's not going to. During this surge in the dollar and this break in the euro, the markets will get over on that and come back. Now the gold market's getting beat. Down 7 cents, 3.5 cents. So you're getting the market adjustment there. And we had a lot out of this morning that the market is digesting. You bonds and notes, they're looking at refunding. And what the market is, well, actually, it's the Treasury side, it's shorter end than anything else. So that was important. Grain markets continuing under pressure as the summer growing season very good shape, and the crops looked, in my opinion, pretty. Now let's take a look, if we could, at something right here. We had the mortgage market headline index come out down 3.8%. We had the purchase index down 5.8%, and the refi down 1%. The surprise this morning was in jobs. It grew on 4,000. Market expected 65. Nothing that's bigger. Then we had the second quarter advanced GDP and chain weighted index. Now, on CNBC in a little bit, we're going to see Kevin Hesed is going to be speaking about this, and you know he's going to blow the president's ideas. Here, you've got 3%, the market expected 4%, and this is 2.5% bigger than the final first quarter growth. So where's the pressure? Where's the problem for the Fed not to be cutting interest rates? The economy is good, and that's make that argument. You wait, you'll see I'm right on that. The chain weighted index, you can see down a little bit. You can see as much as it was in the first quarter. These are the things that will be pointed out, and then come up and say, yeah, a month and a half or so of data. It's time to show the impact of the inflation. We'll see. National Association of Realtors, their home sales are coming out at 9. They're looking up for the index up 0.2% compared with the prior month's growth of 1.8%. Then we have the all-important FOMC. Everybody's going to look at not just what's said, but who's sense do they get? I say that because I can't imagine it's going to be 0. I think we've already seen that Bowman and Waller are going to come out. Will others join them? Last but not least, the president announced a 25% tariff on India. Specifics we don't know about, at least for buying Russia, is going to hit them with that. So more and more as we get towards Friday, we're seeing the big countries, what he's worked out. I expect that with China, we're going to get extension for 90 days on what they do. And the market will, we do see strength, and it takes a lot to put this market back. I'm going to start approaching the market. Now, you know I'm still out of town. Obviously, you're not seeing me there on the screen. Back with you next week. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a great day.